Okay, let's build these menus. From your dashboard, go to Website, Menu Structure. And here we are back at this page. Now, I want you to focus just on these two right here. Um, these are modules, and we will get to them later. So for the time being, look at these two right here. In fact, activate both of those. Right click, activate, save. And when you go to your website, when you refresh the page, those will show up. Now going back to this area, we said we were going to build some menus. So the first level will be card type. To change the name, you double click on it and then type in the new name. Click enter. Do the same for this, double click. Credit type, enter. Click save. And when you refresh the page, you'll notice that the names change. Now we want to build submenus. So what we're going to do with these now is we're going to go to the first one, card type, right click, add new subnode. Now we're going to add 4 different submenus. Balance transfer, 0% APR, rewards, and low interest. So we need 4 of these. Do it 4 times. And then we're going to want to change the names of these to balance transfer, enter, double click, 0% APR, enter, double click, rewards, enter, double click, low interest, enter, save, and when we click refresh, we'll see that we still don't have any submenus, and that is because we did not activate these. So right click them, activate, 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 save. It's always a good idea to check your work. Go back, refresh, bang, here we go. Now under credit type, we said we're going to have 4 more, so add new subnode, add new subnode, add new subnode, add new subnode. Change the name. Excellent credit. Enter. Good credit. Enter. Bad credit. Enter. Student. Enter. Click save, and this time we're going to remember to activate these. So we'll right click on each one of them, activate, 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 and click save. Go to our site, refresh the page, and we've got some menus going now. Now, there's something interesting that we can do here. Now, let's say we wanted to change the order of these. Right now we have card type showing up first and credit type showing up second. If we wanted to switch the order in which these appeared on our site, we would put our mouse over card type, click, and drag it right underneath credit type. And see, credit type, card type. Click save. Now, card type, credit type. When we refresh the page, they switch. And you can do the exact same thing right here Let's say that we wanted to list it from student. We wanted to reverse this order. So we would bring this one down here. Bad. Save. Right? Now, we go to the website. Excellent, good, bad, student. Refresh the page. Student, bad, good, excellent. Now, we can build as many of these as we like using this menu structure item right here. If you build tons of them, you can expand and collapse them. Say plus, it just shows you everything that's underneath it. But if we wanted to build even more, what we would do is we would right click on one of these two, and we would go down to add new sibling. Now if you click add new sibling, you have a whole new menu. So we will call this, let's just call it additional resources. Enter. Let's add a sub, let's activate this. Save. And add a new subnode. Let's call it, I don't know, credit reports. Enter. Right click, activate and activate. And as you can see, when we go to the site, we refresh this, and we have another one. Now you can make as many of these as you like. It's entirely up to you. You could have 30 menus and submenus if you wanted to. Again, you've got the control. But let's get rid of this for the time being. Now, if you want to get rid of one of these menu items or submenu items, you would just click on the top if you wanted to get rid of the whole group and delete node including subnodes. So we would do that. Are you sure? It's going to ask you. Yes, I'm sure. Click save. And here we are. See, now when we refresh this, everything's gone. So that's how you build your menus. And it's fairly straightforward. Again, you have control of whatever you want to do, in terms of naming them what you like and adding as many nodes and subnodes as you desire. Okay, on to the next step.